So here's how to add new fonts in Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up the any kind of browser, I should say, and then search for the font name into the search bar. So for my case, I'm going with the Impact font. Then simply search for it into the Google or Microsoft Bing, and then you will probably see two types of website like this one, the font, and also you will see another website called Google Fonts. You can simply download them from there and as well as from this website too. So simply tap on download and again tap on download. And then from here you probably see a zip file like this. You need to open the zip file, and then the text file, you need to install it. So for the first time, if you are installing a new font, then I'm showing you how to install that. You can simply left click, double click on your mouse, and the file will be open like this. Then you will see the install button on the left. You need to tap on the install and the font will be installed in your PC. Alright, so if you have the Microsoft Word running in the background, you need to close the Microsoft Word once again and restart the Microsoft Word like this. And then from the upper side, you need to search for the font that you have recently downloaded. So as you can see, Impact, if you click on it, let's say we want to change this font, so we need to select that and search for the font we have just downloaded like this, and we got the font right over here. So that's how you can add new font on Microsoft Word document. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.